How to use OCR in Helperbird. If an image has text you wish to use, OCR can extract that text and save it to your Helperbird Notes app. To use it, click on the Helperbird icon. Go to OCR. Click Enable. Look for the pop-up in the bottom right corner to show that OCR is enabled. Click and drag the crosshairs to select the part of the image you want to extract text from. The pop-ups in the bottom right corner will indicate when the text has been saved to your notes. To view Helperbird Notes, right-click, go to Helperbird, Notes, then click on View. The Notes app will launch. There you will see the text that has been extracted. Here you can save your note, copy the text to your clipboard, delete, and open the note into Google Docs.